A withdrawal pending status on Ibotta usually means your cash out is stuck in a verification or processing queue, not that your money is gone. By the end, you'll know why withdrawals stay pending, how long each step usually takes in practice, and what actions actually move the payout forward. First, a pending withdrawal is a normal holding state. It happens when the system is confirming your earnings before releasing them. That check can include receipt validation, account verification, and fraud screening depending on your recent activity. The important thing is that pending does not mean failed. It just means the payout hasn't cleared all internal checks yet. Now start with the fastest fix. Check your account status inside the app. If there's any alert about verification or policy review, that will block the payout from moving forward. You need to resolve that first before anything else changes. Next, confirm your withdrawal method. If you selected PayPal or a gift card option, make sure the account details match exactly with your registered email or payment account. Even small mismatches can hold the transaction in pending status. After that, look at your recent activity. Large spikes in earnings, rapid receipt submissions, or switching devices right before cashing out can all slow down processing because the system rechecks the activity history before approving payment. If everything looks normal, the only remaining step is waiting for the processing cycle to complete. There is no manual button to force a payout. Support can check status, but they cannot usually bypass the verification queue. One thing you should avoid is submitting multiple withdrawal requests while one is pending. That can reset the processing timer or create duplicate checks, which extends the delay instead of fixing it. If the withdrawal stays pending longer than expected and there are no alerts in your account, the next step is contacting support. Include your account email, the exact withdrawal amount, and the method you selected so they can trace the transaction properly. To sum it up, a pending withdrawal is a processing stage, not a failure. Most delays come from verification checks or mismatched payment details. And trying to retrigger withdrawals usually makes delays longer instead of shorter. If your payout is stuck right now, start by checking for verification alerts in the app, then wait for the system to finish processing before making another request. For more clear fixes on cashback payout issues like this, subscribe for future breakdowns.